In this video, we'll show you 6 life hacks you need to know. Thread and needle. Having trouble getting the thread through the eye of the needle? Simply rip a small piece of paper to assist. Fold the paper to create a sharp corner. Place the thread between the paper and guide it through the needle hole. Simply rip the end and pull the thread through. Vacuum small crevices. Easily clean dirt and dust out of tiny cracks and crevices with a vacuum. Just take a couple pieces of paper and roll it into a tight and sturdy cone. Now pinch the ends and hold against your vacuum tube. Make straw clips. Out of bag clips? Use a straw to keep your small packaged items closed. Simply cut the straw to match the approximate length size. Then make one cut, lengthwise, along the straw. Now start with one end and slide it through to hold your bag closed. More airtight seals. Find you're trapping a lot of air in your Ziploc freezer bags? Simply dunk the Ziploc into a bowl of water before you seal to get most of the air out. Keep your bags in place. Your trash bag slowly sinking into the bin as more garbage is piled on? You can use a couple hooks to keep them in place. Just stick one hook, upside down, on each side of the bin to hold the bag in place. Protect your privacy. Don't waste time cutting off each mailing label from your packages. You can easily wipe the label blank with some hand sanitizer. This literally takes seconds. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.